All right, you guys, today we're going to Oktoberfest. If you're from St. Louis and St. Charles, like on their main street, they have like a huge Oktoberfest festival. So we're gonna have tons of pretzels, beer, and right now I'm gonna go pick up my boyfriend because he's coming with me this time. So let's go. To be honest, I'm most excited for a bratwurst though. Like, how good does that sound? All right, so I picked up my boyfriend and we headed to Oktoberfest. It's really cool. Okay, St. Charles area, it is more poppin' than I thought. But here's the festival. You guys, they had so much different food there. I thought there was gonna be just bratwurst. No, ribbon fries, corn dogs, fried shrimp. Then, of course, my boyfriend had to get a beer, which he was very proud about. Me, on the other hand, I'm not a huge beer girl, as you can see, but he was very happy about it. After that, we looked around, got some more food. The crowd was poppin'. And then they had these little cute different like shops of like food and little trinkets, more bratwurst, of course. Also more food, pretzel brats on a stick, you guys. Then we listened to some music, which is actually my favorite part. Tried fried Oreos, which that was my first time trying fried Oreos, and oh my gosh, they were so freaking good. After that, we just walked around a bit more, and probably one of my other favorite parts was going by the riverfront because it is so freaking pretty. Like, look, literally that was just right next to the festival. It was so much fun. Oh, look at him, he's so cute. After that, we walked around Main Street, which is right next to where the festival was. It's super cute and quaint. Like, look at the cobblestone streets. It has different kinds of like little shops for sweets, ice cream, food. It gives off very like Halloween town vibes. It's so cute and fun if you like the very dainty little things. But yeah, thanks for coming with us. Bye, love you.